Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. I have some videos for you to check out. They'll help you get your small engines and lawnmowers fixed. I have a whole collection of them. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you. Hello there, this is Mark from L&M Small Engine, and we have a Kawasaki twin cylinder motor with one of these plastic drain plugs on them, and they tightened her too tight and they broke it off, so we're gonna replace the new drain plug, and I'll show you an easy way to do this so you don't take the motor all the way out and you'll be back in the yard mode in no time. So we'll get started. Okay, we got it jacked up to the proper height here, and there's four motor bolts, and they're 15 millimeter. And the trick to doing this is where I take the tube off this side over here, take both bolts all the way out, and the other two will loosen up. We'll still keep them there so the motor don't flop around. And make sure your clutch pedal is pushed in, and the brakes like that will make the drive belt loose, so there's less tension on the belt. So we'll go ahead and take these two bolts out over here on this side. Okay, then on the opposite side, we won't take the bolts all the way out, we'll just loosen them up. Okay, got that part done. Then we'll come over here, and here's the drain plug right here. All the oil's out of this one. If you still have oil in your lawnmower, I recommend taking all the oil out before we do this here. You have a big mess. But this one was broke, so all the oil leaked out of it. So we got both bolts out over on this side. And when you have to screw the new one in, it has this nozzle right here, and if you don't lift the motor up, you're going to break that off. So we're going to lift this side of the motor up so we can take that out. Be careful so you don't break anything with this. Like so. So we have like about a 3/4 of an inch to an inch all around that, so we can turn that out. Some of them are pretty tight. And they're just plastic. I don't know why they made them plastic. And for some reason on some lawnmowers there's not a hole for that to come out. Let's see how that little piece is broken off, and what they did, they tightened this too tight with a 10 millimeter wrench and they broke it. This is plastic, so you got to be real careful with that. So we'll take this old O-ring off. Put it on our new one. Then we'll screw this in, and where we want this to be, then we'll go ahead and take this one here and we'll tighten that one up against the block so it stays in its proper place. You see how the motor's lifted up? You can turn that right in and not worry about breaking that extension off. And you don't have to take the motor all the way out, which will take more time. Then we'll put this one so the drain is right at the front. And you got your hose, we hook the hose on there, but we got that where we want it. So now we'll tighten up that lock bolt that I showed you on it. Okay. Be very careful. You'll take this out, set the motor right back down again. Now we'll go ahead and put our bolts back in. And that's a 15 millimeter. Tack the other side up. all done. Then we got our little drain plug hose. And go ahead and put on there. And that drain plug set screws a 10mm. Just make sure it's snug. Don't tighten it too tight, else you'll break it. Then when you set it back down, go ahead and put your recommended oil in, and you'll be good to go. Well, thank you very much for watching another one of my videos, and you have a good day. Thanks. Bye.